Solve the cube, discover Rubik's secret. What does that even mean? Mysteriously, this little cube showed up at my front doorsteps and with a note saying to solve it. Looks like today I'll be solving this cube. Before we begin, there is one thing I have to say. I'm actually a complete beginner at the Rubik's Cube. I actually have no idea what milestones to set, but I think a good view would be 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and hopefully 30 seconds. Before I look up a video on how to solve this, I just kind of want to try it and see if I could actually solve it myself. So let's scramble up this cube. So I guess I'll start off by building the white face. So it's only missing 2 whites now. I think I just made it worse. Just one more piece. Yeah, I give up. This is impossible. So I just looked it up. There's 43 quintillion possible combinations of this cube. I'll actually die before I can even turn a cube that many times.
So to learn to solve the cube, I searched up a YouTube video and began to follow along.
So I just solved the bottom layer already, and that only took me 10 minutes.
Wow, look at that. That was actually pretty easy. Okay. I might have left out something.
Oh my god, I start over again. Oh my god. I was so close. I was on the last step. Oh.
But 47 minutes later, miraculously, this happened.
Oh my god. Oh, I honestly don't know how long this took me. Like an hour.
Solving the cube at 47 minutes is definitely not ideal, so I got some practice to do. For the next few days, I practiced around an hour each day, and eventually I broke the 5-minute mark.
Three minutes. Still too long. It's definitely getting faster. Now that we have solved the Rubik's Cube, let's talk about how we did it. There are actually many methods to this madness, but one of the most common and popular one is called the CFOP method, and is actually what I use to solve this cube. CFOP really is just the acronym of the algorithm used to solve this cube. The cross, first 2 layer, orientation of the last layer, and permutation of the last layer. So now onto the CFOP method. The first step is to building the cross. So this is actually done by first building a daisy. So now that you have the daisy set up, it's time to align the centerpiece with the color and rotate it 180 degrees. If you've done this step correctly, you should have a white cross that matches all the way up to the center face for each and every color. Now that we have completed step 1, the white cross, stuff are about to get a little bit complicated.
I really suggest that you watch a full tutorial to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Next step is the first two layer. Here, I have one white piece that is missing, so I'm going to use an algorithm to put the last white piece into the proper place. When you're done, the first layer should be fully completed. The next step is to complete the second layer, which is to put the proper edge piece into place. The first two layers is now complete. Now, the next two steps of the algorithm, orientation and permutation of the last layers, are strictly algorithm based. This means that whatever situation I have right now, I just need to apply the correct algorithm to solve it. Now our last and final step is to permutate the last layer to fully make your cube perfect again. And there we go. Just like that, we are done. Easy as pie, right? I don't know why it took me an hour the first time. So right now I'm solving the cube around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I feel like I could really break the 2-minute mark if I had a better cube. One thing I noticed when I'm solving the cube is that it's not keeping up with my turning speed. I'll get locked up a lot on the corner turns, so I decided to invest in a professional cube, a gang cube. Let's give this a try. Wow. 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 Hear how loud this one is compared to this? Now it's time to see if a better cube actually makes a difference. Look at that, 1:43. Does a better cube help? 100%. Now that we confirm Rubik's Cube is a pay-to-win game, just buy a Rubik's Cube solving robot. That wasn't so bad at all. Wait, what is this? Do you see that? This piece pops off. Oh, there's something inside. There's actually something inside. It's like a note. Oh. Now make a video.